Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rosemary. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. Now let's unbox this meats cool meats humidifier, the filter-free Vicks humidifier. I finally decided to get one because my baby is coughing and this is the season for all that stuff. But anyways, I hope this is worth it. I already saw that I heard that you have to clean it every week and stuff like that, which is more work to do, but I guess it's better than having the filter one. I never had any humidifier before, so this is my first time. I don't know why it took me so long. My son is 5 years old and the little one is 2 years old. That is what. So I got this from Walmart. It was about, I don't know how much was it, $30 something, which I'm guessing it's now way cheaper than what it was last time it came out. Okay. I'm gonna gently open this up so that if it doesn't work, I can easily return it. Quick. Okay. That's what it looks like. So this is the knob to actually open it up to see how much meat you want to let out. You know, minimal, maximum, and all that stuff. Says this is the direction of meat, the part. Oh, look at that! It just came right off. This is the part where you can actually, it's very adjustable. If you want the meat to go that way or this way, that's the direction. No, and then it has the little carrying parts here where you can carry your stuff, and that's the water tank area. Hopefully, okay. So counterclockwise, unlock. Clockwise to lock. Fill your water in. Is this not gonna pour? Okay, so fill your water in and then okay. So I guess that's part for the whatever that is. It goes directly under. The little button is the night light, and this is the scent pad, which I'm guessing it came with a free. Enjoy your free Vicks scent pad, sample enclosed. So this is the scent pad. I'm sure I'm gonna turn it over like they said we should. Open it up like I did a minute ago, and then pour some distilled water inside. So I poured in my water. That's what it's doing. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the scent pad they gave me. And with this pad, it says don't use it on kids that are less than 10 pounds, and then it's only good for 8 hours. And if you want to keep using more, and then this spot here you can use up to 2 scent pads or Vicks or whatever. I think you can also get them in the store or something like that. So you can use up a maximum of 2, and then for kids, don't use more than 8 hours, or don't use more than 2 in 24 hours and stuff like that. So just go ahead and put it in. Okay, so turn it on. Let's go ahead and turn it on. In here, it said you have to like clean it weekly. So it's a whole lot of process here, but God help us. For now, I think I'm just gonna leave it all the way up. or all the way to the maximum. So this can humidify. The very important thing about having a humidifier, because it's just like moisturizing the air you breathe in, instead of breathing in dried air and irritating your throat and stuff like that. So this really helped. And I got this particular this one is for large rooms because our rooms are very big. So that, which is why it was a little more expensive than, and it's kind of quiet. I'm hoping this night light is not too bright. It's very quiet. And then you must you need to make sure you put this in a very flat surface. What I need to know is how often do you have to change the water? Can you just keep putting the water inside? Always make sure it's also off before you go anywhere with it, or before you wash it and all that stuff. I feel different. I don't know why. I don't know why it took me so long to get one. Anyway, guys, it's very quiet. I'm guessing the water tinkling noise is supposed to, as time goes on, it's supposed to just stop. But thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. See you in the next video. Bye.